Welcome back, everyone, to a brand new episode of Norris Titans Video News.
And I'm Zach, and I'm here with the brand new dad joke of the week. Why did the coffee call the police?
Why?
Because he got mugged.
Now on to you, spell check.
Welcome back to Spell Check. I'm Caitlin.
I'm Gus. This week's word is flibberty gibbet.
And I'm Gabby, and it's a very talkative person.
Hi, I'm here with.
Price Krenzing, 6th grade.
What's your favorite season?
Summer, because there's no school and I get to go on vacation.
Do you know how to spell flibberty gibbet?
Flibberdigipт.
That is not correct. Thank you for trying.
Hi, today I'm here with.
Haven Unger, grade 6.
What's your favorite season?
Fall,
Why?
because all the colors.
Do you know how to spell flibberty gibbet?
No, but I'll try. Flibbergit.
No, good try though.
Hi, today I'm here with.
Taylor Brethauer in 8th grade.
How are you today?
Good.
What's your favorite season?
Summer because you get to go to the lake and go tubing.
Do you know how to spell the word flibberty gibbet?
No, but it's FLIBBERGT. Yeah.
Incorrect.
Welcome back to 160 Theories.
This week, our theory is, are mermaids real?
AJ Gonsman, I'm in 8th grade.
And do you believe in mermaids?
Well, actually, I am a mermaid.
Really?
Yeah,
How do you turn from human to mermaid?
when water touches me.
That's cool. What color is your tail?
It's multicolored.
Today I'm here with.
Rich, 8th grade.
Travis, 8th grade. Do you guys believe in mermaids?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, if you were mermaids, what color tail would you want?
Red.
I'd like red as well.
Today I'm here with Kaylee Novak, and I'm in 8th grade. And do you think mermaids are real?
Yeah, I do.
And if you were a mermaid, what color of tail would you want?
I'd want a pink, blue, and purple tail with like sparkles.
Interesting.
Thanks for tuning in this week on 160 Theories. I hope you all have a great rest of your week.
Join us next week for a new theory, now on the Titan Talk.
I'm Genesis,
And I'm Grace.
and welcome back to Titan Talk.
This week's question is, what current trends do you agree with? Today I'm here with.
Lauren Zock, 8th grade.
What's your favorite Christmas movie?
Home Alone.
What is your favorite current trend?
ASMR.
Today I'm here with.
Emily, 8th grade.
What's your favorite color?
Red.
What's your favorite current trend?
Crocs.
Thank you everyone for the interview this week.
Now on to Cooking 160.
Hi, I'm Hayden. And I'm Alexis. Welcome back to Cooking 160, Norris's cooking contest. This week we have Mr. Severson and Mr. Rice making Christmas cookies, and our guest judge is Blake. How much cooking experience do you have, Mr. Rice?
It's very limited. In fact, most of my experience comes from my good friends. Today's recipe is from one of my very best of friends. Great cookie.
How about you, Mr. Severson?
I make the Christmas cookies for our family and have done so for many years. So the 13 years been married, plus I live by myself, so I had to learn to cook.
How about you, Blake?
I have no experience cooking.
They're all done, and first up is Mr. Rice's. They have a good amount of peanut butter and chocolate, well balanced. Tastes good.
I really like the peanut butter with the chocolate and the Ritz crackers.
I like it. It's very good. I like the chocolate and the peanut butter together. Makes it great.
Next up is Mr. Severson's. They're perfect bite size, good amount of caramel, and good chocolate.
I like the Rolos. They make it taste really good.
I really like the Rolos with the pretzels.
We're proud to announce the winner is
Mr. Rice. Thank you. I actually must fully disclose where I got the recipe. That is a family recipe from the one and only Mr. Severson. If you think his math is good, you should try his cookies.
Thank you. Now on to Sports Stars.
Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new episode of Sports Stars. I'm here with
Corbin Rhodes.
What grade are you in?
8th.
Do you have any experience playing badminton?
Yes, I've played since 6th grade.
That's cool. What's your favorite sport?
Football.
That's neat. I'm also here with
Trevor Nicolite.
What grade are you in?
I am in 8th grade.
And do you think you'll win this badminton matchup?
I already know I'm going to win.
All right, that's cool. Let's get to it. Wow, that was a great matchup. I'm here with the winner.
Trevor Nicolite.
And how do you think your performance went?
I won.
All right, here's the game, Brady. And then Corbin, how's it feel to lose?
I lost by 1, so I still beat him in PE, so I'm done. I'm okay.
Wow.
Hi, I'm Bria. And I'm Chloe. Welcome back to Titan Tunes. Today me and Bria are going to find kids who think they can do Fortnite dances. First, what's your favorite Fortnite dance? Oh, definitely Disco Fever. Me too. Oh my gosh, let's do it. Okay. Let's go. Hi, I'm here with
Alexander James Everman.
What grade are you in?
I'm in 8th grade.
Do you play Fortnite?
Yeah.
Do you know any of the dances?
Yes, this one's called the hot stuff.
I'm here with.
Okay, Bert, 6th.
Do you play Fortnite?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part about Fortnite?
It's just addicting and fun.
Do you know any Fortnite dances?
Yeah.
Can you show us one?
Sure.
All right. I'm here with Madison Brinkman, 7th grade. Do you play Fortnite? No. Do you know any of the Fortnite dances? Oh, yeah. Can you show us one? Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm here with
Joey, 7th grade.
Do you play Fortnite?
No.
Do you know any Fortnite dances?
One.
What?
Floss.
Can you show us?
Sure.
All right. I'm here with
Jonathan Steele.
What grade are you in?
8th.
Do you play Fortnite?
Yeah.
Do you know any dances?
Yeah, this one's called the Infinite Dab.
Welcome back to Play of the Week. This week we're focusing on responsibility.
Now to Mr. Severson's class with the Play of the Week.
This is so boring. You want to go do something else? Yeah. Hey, maybe if we finish this, we can have some free time afterwards.
Yeah, sounds good.
And
that's the Play of the Week.
Thank you, Gabby and Caitlin, with the play of the week.
Hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned for the next one next week.